Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to look at British pound, Swiss franc, and we are going to make a market breakdown of what we can expect from this currency pair. We are going to look at from the higher time frame, and after that we can look at how we can initiate the trade. So if you can see on the weekly chart, price is testing very low price levels here. These levels are located close to 1.1611, and also we can see this breakdown from the structure. However, the breakdown doesn't mean anything at all, in my opinion, because we need to see also the bigger picture, how the price is actually developing. If we look at the lowest part of the weekly chart, it is dating in March 20, is a very low area when price tested 1.1113. Look at also in 2011 price was not so low, so basically price is coming back down to test the lows. On March 20 it was the period of time of pandemic, so we need to see any price reaction from actually where the price is now. So let's make it a bit bigger, why I'm thinking about it in this way. And you will see that during the previous weeks the price was moving within these areas. Look at these areas here. Also the lower part of the structure was the previous two candles was closed at the previous shadows of this to one. So I'm talking about this close and this shadow. So this is creating a movement within the bigger picture. So we are in this part of the structure from the end of June. Look at the date here. It was June 22 now, and price is moving within this area for nearly 1 month. So this is 1 month that price is spending time there. Let's break it down on another time frame, on the daily time frame. It looks very interesting again. However, you need to remember that the structure is corrective overall. We are blocked within two areas, the lower part of the structure 1.1530, let's say, and the top part of the structure. So this is where the price can move during this period of time. If we are going to look at the candles, look at this candle here. We had a bearish one and a bigger one, bullish, that made a big dark on it, and after that the price completed the movement. So we can see a bullish movement. It came lower again. This is looking like a correction. So in the bigger picture we can see price to increase up. Let's break it down on the 4-hour. And what do we have here? Look at how the price will develop. This is giving us very clear signs that price is moving up and down with corrective movements. Look at all of these movements. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we have another movement that price actually made here. 1, 2, 3 movement again. In the actual situation, if we are going to look at, because this is on a 4-hour time frame, it is not looking very clear where it is now. I'm talking about this wave here, where we are actually looking at 4-hour trades. We need to break it down, but for the moment we need to see also something interesting. We need to look at these areas. The interesting fact here is that we have structural resistance from above all of this area, and this is showing that the sellers are well positioned in this zone. We have very dense candles and very strong price action every time price came close to this point. Look at also this point here that I missed. very big price reaction. So what I'm looking at also on these small candles here, look at this candle that it was 4 days ago, and we have also the top of the structure. So what I'm thinking is that as long as the support area from the lower part of the structure is still holding, it looks very interesting at this point. Price can make approximately a movement like this one here without reaching the bottom of the structure. So we can have a premature move for the bullish movement like this one, or probably like this movement here. Let me make in this way. We can have like these movements that they didn't reach the strongest support area on the lower part of the structure, and this is a potential movement again. So let's break it down now. That is what we are looking at. If I'm going to remove this right now, we can see that the lower part of the structure of the smaller pattern was located close to 1.1550, 55 approximately. We have also this correcting movement, very nice movement again. So these ABC movements are part of corrective structures. So the price should continue moving higher as long as we saw this bounce here. It is very interesting. The first area that I'm looking at is the top of the structure and 1.1637, and the next one is close to the top of the structure. It can be close to 85, 86, it doesn't matter at all. So this is what I am anticipating, and this can be a very high probability scenario in this way, how this is creating. The upper part of the structure, if we go on a higher time frame, it can be reached during these weeks. We need more bullish steam from British pound because it is not reacting very strong lately, but it should go also close to the upper part of the structure. For the moment, we are focused on these two targets. They should be a very good target for the time being as I'm looking at. Hope you guys enjoyed this video analysis on British pound and Swiss franc. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.